Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a new edition, a 1940 LaSalle Convertible. Oh, what a beauty this is. We'll give you all the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars, ranging everywhere from old Cadillacs all the way up to the late model resto mods. Take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com and you'll see the latest arrivals, all our current inventory, and some specials that we have going on right now. Take a look. But today we're going to talk about our newest acquisition, a 1940 LaSalle Convertible. Now, most people don't know LaSalle was a division of Cadillac, and it was a little less money than a Cadillac. And the reason was, back during the Depression, if you drove a Cadillac, it was almost too much like showing off, whereas the LaSalle didn't have that same whatever we want to call it, hoity-toityness or whatever you want to call it. So the LaSalles actually really probably saved Cadillac because a lot of those high-end cars weren't selling, whereas the LaSalle was a little bit less money, but I'll tell you what, a little less money. This car is absolutely gorgeous. In 1940, this is the last year though for LaSalle. Kind of a crazy thought is it was really doing well, but Cadillac said, no, it's taking away sales from our Cadillac smaller car division. And so LaSalle had to unfortunately come to an end in 1940. But just take a look at this car. Everything about this car has been done, restored. Absolutely beautiful color, base coat, clear coat. I mean, this car just glows. I mean, it is really neat. The interesting thing about these old cars, everything had distinctive things about them. I mean, LaSalle had a very specialty hood ornament. The grille was really neat with the narrow grille going down like this and the grille guard in the front. But look at the quality of the chrome on this car, and does it run nicely. I mean, it is a Cadillac V8. Pretty much the same motor that was in a Cadillac, but just take a look at the engine. This thing looks absolutely pristine, the way it was supposed to come in 1940. The other thing that I really enjoy about these old cars is the wide white wall tires. I mean, that is a big tire, and I mean, that is a big white wall compared to what in the 60s they got the little skinny ones, but this was right in vogue in 1940. I like also this has very high quality hubcaps with the LaSalle emblem right in the middle. Red kind of accents the tire itself. Just really nice set of tires on this car all the way around. I guess when you get right down to it, it's so hard to tell the difference between a Cadillac and LaSalle. They were so close, but yet, like I said, they saved a little money and it had its own distinctive features. Take a look at the interior of this car. Leather interior, beautiful steering wheel. Look at that dash. I mean, it was just something that was special. Even has its original AM radio in place. You can find all our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe. We appreciate it because there's always interesting stories on cars that we currently have and cars that we've had in the past. But yeah, look at this canvas top, dark brown canvas top, power top, of course, in 1940, which is really neat. You wouldn't think that, but yes, they were actually a power top in 1940. But this was a 3-speed on the column, no automatic yet for these cars, and again, it's just something you get in, starts right up, turn the key, and you can drive away. Look at that. I mean, they were kind of ending in 1940 was kind of the start of the end of running boards, so it's kind of a specialty deal. I believe you could have either running boards or this type of a outside thing with the chrome strips on it. It just was a new trend to get away from that old school look. Nice trunk in this car, beautiful space. Could certainly get in a couple set of golf clubs if that's what you wanted to go out and hit a few rounds. Really nice. Beautiful, again, like I said, chrome. All the bright work is done very, very well. We'd love to have you come down if you're looking for something to add to your collection that not everybody has. They made only about 425 of these, give or take. And I'll tell you what, when's the last time you ever seen one? I personally am an old car guy. I can't remember seeing a LaSalle convertible, so this is really special. I mean, it is something really, really nice, and it just runs and drives very well. Come on down to Ellingson. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and on Saturdays from 10 until 4. We'd love to have you come down in person, take a look at it. If you're looking for something in your collection that not everybody has, and yet it would really be an incredible car for any collection. If you have a dozen, 100 or whatever, or it's your very first one, this is the way to find them, all done, ready to go, turnkey, and drive away. Appreciate it. We have lots of stuff for you to look at. We'll see you next time.